Hi, I'm Dylan Park. Today we're in Uvita, Costa Rica, and I have something very special to show you. Come check out Costa Carabao. This home is a very unique home on the market today because of the location. It's a two-wheel drive access, minutes from the highway with excellent ocean views. As soon as you walk in, you have a very homey feel, and this living room flows right into the kitchen. Here you'll find an open space, natural finishings, and a gourmet kitchen. You'll be impressed with the finishes of Casa Carabao. Every room has custom finishes. The spa-like bathroom in the primary bedroom with the circle tub, it's very unique and different. Pretty sweet, right? You'll notice the builder created a lot of great indoor, outdoor space. And guess what? My favorite part of the house is still yet to come. Come check it out. So this is the rooftop deck. You've got a wet bar, you've got a jacuzzi, hammock, ample space to entertain, do yoga, whatever your heart desires. The space is immense. Maybe bring a private chef over, entertain maybe with a DJ. It's a great vacation rental, a great home to have for the rest of your life. Life is short. You want to enjoy it with friends and family, so treat yourself to the convenience and luxury that Casa Carabao has to offer.